MSD Smart Coil big wire kits allow you to crank up the dwell time up to 5 milliseconds, allowing the smart coils to produce up to 50,000 volts and over 190 millijoules of spark energy at the plug. This means you can burn all the fuel in each cylinder for maximum power. MSD Smart Coils not only produce more spark energy than IGN 1A coils, they do so by consuming less power without sacrificing voltage output. These smart coils are compatible with Holley EFI and other aftermarket EFI systems and run on 12 and 16 volt electrical systems. The mounting placement allows for a direct replacement with IGN 1A coils and will also bolt in place of factory LS 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 coils with a 72 millimeter bolt spacing. These are also a direct bolt-on to Holley's cast aluminum LS valve covers, available in red and black.